If you're a homeowner in Conway, Arkansas, thinking about selling your property or simply increasing its value, window replacement might be the smartest investment you can make. Beyond aesthetic upgrades, new windows provide energy savings, enhanced curb appeal, and a strong return on investment, all of which are crucial in a competitive housing market like Conway's. Here's how window replacement adds real value to your home. Increased curb appeal that sells. First impressions matter. Prospective buyers form an opinion of your home within seconds of seeing it. Old, foggy, or cracked windows give the impression that a home hasn't been well maintained. On the other hand, modern, energy-efficient windows create a fresh, clean look that makes the entire property feel more inviting. In Conway's evolving neighborhoods, from historic downtown homes to modern developments, buyers are looking for properties that are move-in ready. Stylish new windows with updated trims and materials, like black aluminum frames or classic white vinyl, can significantly modernize the appearance of your home and make it stand out from comparable listings. Better energy efficiency equals lower utility bills. Conway experiences hot, humid summers and chilly winters, a climate that demands energy-efficient home features. New windows can dramatically improve your home's insulation, reducing the load on heating and cooling systems. Double or triple pane windows with low E coatings and argon gas fillings help keep indoor temperatures steady and comfortable. This energy performance translates directly into savings for homeowners and becomes a compelling selling point. Buyers are more attracted to homes with lower energy bills, especially in a market where affordability and efficiency go hand in hand. In Conway's family-friendly communities, this type of sustainable upgrade can be a deciding factor for young couples or retirees. Higher home appraisal value. Replacing windows isn't just about what buyers see, it's also about how appraisers and inspectors assess your home. When you upgrade your windows, you improve the structural integrity, weatherproofing, and long-term maintenance profile of the house. All of this plays into how much your home is valued during an appraisal. In Conway's growing real estate market, where housing demand is steadily climbing thanks to expanding job opportunities and a desirable quality of life, these types of improvements give your home an edge. Whether your property is located near Hendrix College or out in the rapidly developing East Conway area, newer windows can help you price your home more competitively. Strong ROI with lasting benefit. According to national real estate trends, window replacement projects often recoup up to 70–80% of their cost in increased home value. But in local markets like Conway, where energy efficiency and modern finishes are in high demand, that return can be even greater. Whether you choose fiberglass, vinyl, or wood-clad windows, the key is to select quality products installed by professionals. Not only do you enjoy the comfort and performance benefits while living in the home, but you also gain when it's time to sell. Buyers appreciate that the work is already done and are often willing to pay more for that peace of mind. Local market trends favor turnkey homes. Conway's real estate market is dynamic, with new families moving in, investors buying rental properties, and professionals relocating for work. These buyers are typically looking for homes that need little to no work after purchase. Replacing your windows signals that the home has been upgraded with modern features, making it move-in ready, which attracts more serious offers. This is particularly important in competitive neighborhoods like West Conway, where homes with similar layouts and square footage compete for attention. Updated windows give your home that extra value boost that can lead to quicker sales and higher offers. Final thoughts. Window replacement is more than just an aesthetic choice. It's a high-impact investment that directly increases the value, efficiency, and marketability of your home in Conway. Whether you're planning to sell soon or just want to build long-term equity, new windows are a smart upgrade that pays off in multiple ways. With the right materials and professional installation, your home will not only look better, it will sell better, too.